Hi everyone, welcome back to AI Incarnation. Today, we are starting a Streamlit Zero to Mastery series. In this video, we are going to cover what Streamlit is, why it is a game changer for data scientists and ML engineers, and we will walk you through installing it and building your very first interactive web app. Whether you are a Python developer, curious about creating real-world dashboard, or someone who wants to rapidly prototype data projects, you are in the right place. Streamlit is an open source Python framework that lets you convert your data scripts into interactive, beautiful web apps without any knowledge of HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. Imagine you have built a predictive model for ride hailing data or sentiment analysis tool for customer reviews. With Streamlit, you can easily share your insights and interactive dashboards with non technical stakeholders. Here are some key features of Streamlit: ease of use, rapid prototyping, real time interactivity, integrating with data science libraries. In fact, many companies use Streamlit to create dashboards that update in real time, like tracking Uber pickups, monitoring financial data, or even analyzing social media sentiments during a major event. Today, we'll start by creating the simplest of apps, a Hello World Streamlit app, and I'll show you how it works behind the scenes. Let's jump right into setting up your environment. For this series, I'll be using Streamlit 0 to Mastery folder, and all the scripts I'll be adding to this particular folder only. The very first step is to create a virtual environment. So for that, I'll simply type Python space hyphen m venv and my environment name. It will be streamlit underscore env. Okay, our environment is created. We'll simply activate our environment. The command will be environment name scripts activate. Once the environment is created, we'll install Streamlit. The command will be pip install Streamlit. This command downloads and installs Streamlit, making it available in your Python environment. Once installed, you can check the version by using the command streamlit space hyphen hyphen version. It is a handy way to ensure that you have the latest features. Okay, Streamlit is installed, and to verify the version, we'll simply type the command streamlit space hyphen hyphen version. We can see that we are having Streamlit version 1.44.0. So this is the latest version. So we have created a virtual environment. We have installed Streamlit in our virtual environment. Now we are good to go to start with our very first program in Streamlit. We'll simply create a new file called as intro.py. Once the file is created, we'll simply import Streamlit by the help of command import Streamlit as st. So once we've imported Streamlit, we'll simply set the title for the app, that is using set the title for the app, that will be st.title, and inside this we'll simply say hello Streamlit. This st.title is used to set the title for our app. Once that is done, we'll simply write our welcome message. That will be write a welcome message. For that, we'll simply say st.write welcome to my first Streamlit app, but entirely in Python. That's it. This app does two things. First, it will display a bold title at the top of your app, that is st.title. Next, it will write a simple welcome message below it, that is st.write. Save this file. To run this file, we'll simply say streamlit run intro.py. Once you hit enter, it will open up a browser. There you go. So this is the title and this is the welcome message that we have set. Streamlit will automatically open your app in your default web browser. What's amazing here is that every time you make a changes and save your file, Streamlit reruns the script and updates the display in real time. For example, we'll go to the app and we'll simply say in the message we will change it to hello world. Once we save it, we'll go back to the browser and you can say that source file is changed. We just need to rerun this. There you go. If you don't want to run this app manually by simply clicking on rerun button, you can go to these three dots, click on settings. Here you can click on run on save. It will automatically update the app when your underlying code is updated. Let's check this. For example, we'll simply say hello there. This is my first Streamlit app. Once you save it, you can see it is updating in real time. Now that you have a solid foundation, I encourage you to experiment on your own. Modify the app, try adding more widgets like slider or drop down, and see how it can tailor your own projects. If you like this video, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to join me for the next module where we will dive into more advanced layouts and interactive components. If you have any questions or need any further clarification, leave a comment below or join our community forum. Your feedback is important. See you in the next video.